Today, we're diving into the Intel i7-4790, a powerful quad-core processor that has been a staple for many PC enthusiasts and professionals alike. Sporting a base clock speed of 3.6 GHz, this CPU is designed to deliver robust performance, making it an excellent choice for a wide range of applications, from gaming to content creation and everything in between. One of the standout features of the i7-4790 is its impressive 8 MB cache, which significantly enhances the speed at which the processor can access frequently used data. This not only boosts overall system performance but also ensures smoother multitasking, allowing you to run multiple applications simultaneously without a hitch. Whether you're editing videos, streaming gameplay, or running intensive software, the i7-4790 handles it all with ease. The i7-4790 utilizes the LGA1150 socket, also known as socket H3. This socket type was widely used in many motherboards, making it a versatile choice for those looking to upgrade their existing systems or build a new one. Its compatibility with a broad range of motherboards means you have plenty of options when it comes to choosing the right hardware to complement your build. In terms of thermal performance, the i7-4790 manages to maintain a balance between power and heat output. Its thermal design power, TDP, is rated at 84 watts, which is relatively efficient given its performance capabilities. This ensures that your system remains cool and quiet even under heavy workloads, provided you pair it with a decent cooling solution. The i7-4790 also supports hyperthreading technology, effectively doubling the number of threads available to your operating system. This feature is particularly beneficial for tasks that require parallel processing, such as 3D rendering, video encoding, and complex calculations. With 4 cores and 8 threads at your disposal, the i7-4790 is more than capable of handling demanding workloads with finesse. Running on the Intel Haswell architecture, the i7-4790 benefits from various architectural improvements over its predecessors, including better energy efficiency and enhanced integrated graphics performance. While most users will pair this CPU with a dedicated graphics card, the integrated Intel HD Graphics 4600 provides a reliable backup for less demanding graphical tasks and troubleshooting scenarios. Overall, the Intel i7-4790 remains a compelling choice for anyone seeking a high-performance processor that won't break the bank. Its combination of speed, efficiency, and compatibility makes it a top contender for both new builds and upgrades. If you're looking for a processor that delivers excellent performance across a wide range of applications, the Intel i7-4790 is definitely worth considering. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.